Picture this: your personal data, financial records, and even your identity stolen in the blink of an eye. Cyber attacks are no longer just a distant threat. They are a real, looming danger, affecting millions every year. But what if you could drastically reduce your risk? According to CISA, the American Cyber Defense Agency, you can do these 4 things to protect yourself from 98% of cyber attacks. Let's take a look at them. 1. Keep your software updated. First up, and arguably the most important, keep your software updated. You've heard it a million times, but why is it so critical? Let me break it down for you. Cybercriminals are always on the hunt for vulnerabilities in outdated software. When you ignore those annoying update notifications, you're leaving a door wide open for hackers. Updates aren't just about new features. They patch security holes that could be exploited. So whether it's your operating system, antivirus software, or apps on your phone, make it a habit to install updates as soon as they become available. It's your first line of defense. 2. Use strong, unique passwords. Next, let's talk about something you probably hear a lot about: using strong, unique passwords. It might seem like a hassle, but this is your digital fortress. Cybercriminals use sophisticated tools to crack passwords, and the easiest way in is through weak or reused passwords. So what makes a strong password? Think long, complex, and unique. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. And here's a pro tip: use a password manager to keep track of them all. It's secure, convenient, and essential in today's digital age. 3. Enable multi-factor authentication. Moving on to our third tip: enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. This is like having a second lock on your door. Even if a hacker manages to steal your password, MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a text message code or a fingerprint scan. Many services offer MFA, and enabling it is usually just a few clicks away. It's a small step that significantly boosts your security. So turn it on, and make sure your online accounts are as secure as possible. 4. Be wary of phishing scams. Finally, let's address the most common method hackers use: phishing scams. These scams trick you into revealing personal information by posing as trustworthy entities. They can come in the form of emails, texts, or even fake websites. Always be skeptical of unsolicited messages asking for personal details. Look for signs of phishing, like poor grammar, unexpected links, or email addresses that don't match the sender's name. When in doubt, contact the organization directly using official contact details. Protecting yourself starts with staying vigilant. Think before you click. These 4 steps: keeping your software updated, using strong, unique passwords, enabling multi-factor authentication, and being wary of phishing scams, are your best defense against cyber attacks. By taking these simple actions, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from 98% of cyber threats. Remember, the digital world is full of opportunities, but also threats. Don't let fear hold you back. Empower yourself with knowledge and tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips on online safety. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you next time.